Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will learn how to calculate undertime for payroll generation in Logic ERP. To begin, navigate to the main menu and open the Payroll Setups module. From there, click on the Setup Grades window, where you can define undertime settings for both new and existing grades. Select the desired grade and enable the option Use New Calculation Engine for overtime and undertime calculation. To configure the undertime calculation settings, first press the space key and enable the late minutes deduction option. Then, define the allowed latent minutes from the shift start time. For example, if we set it to 5 minutes, no salary will be deducted if the employee is late up to 5 minutes, but from the 6th minute onward, the salary deduction will apply. Next, enable the following option if you want to include early leaving in the latent minutes calculation. Next, define the allowed early leaving time in minutes. If the employee leaves earlier than the allowed time, that duration will be counted as undertime and the corresponding salary will be deducted. Define the undertime rate as field from the drop-down menu. Select Actual for a fixed rate and specify the undertime rate per hour. If the undertime rate is defined as 100, then for every hour or minute the employee is late, their salary will be deducted at the rate of 100 per hour. To set the undertime rate as user-defined, choose User-defined from the drop-down menu. Then, press the space key on the UT user-defined rate setting and tick the fields from your gross components that should be included in the undertime calculation. Once all configurations are complete, click OK to save the changes. Next, we need to mark the employee's attendance. To do this, go to the main menu and open the attendance register. Select the employee and specify the time in and time out. The employee's total working hours were 8, but since they arrived 20 minutes late, the total hours worked are 7 hours and 40 minutes, as shown on the screen. After saving the attendance, let's move on to payroll generation. For this, go to the Payroll Entry menu and open the Payroll Generation window. Choose the payroll month and employee from the search list. Then, click on the Recalculate button. The payroll details will be displayed on the screen. Here, you can see that the undertime hours are showing as 20 minutes, and based on the user-defined calculation, the undertime deductions are also being calculated.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.